Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your NUBIA Z70 Ultra as your IR remote. This phone does have a IR blaster here, so you can just download an app to use it as a remote for your TV, AC, your speakers or anything else that supports remote control. So I'm gonna go to the Play Store, search, and if your device has a special app for that, then you may want to install that, but you can also just search for remote and find the Mi Remote controller or any other as well, but I suggest you downloading this one. Just click on install. Then click on open, agree. Now click on add remote and select whether you want to use the remote from your Mi TV, just standard TV, set-top box, AC, fan, smart box, AV receiver, DVD player, projector, Chinese satellite TV or camera. I'm gonna set it up for TV. Now select your TV, so here are the popular brands, but you can also set any other one. Let's see if there is TCL. Now make sure your TV is on. If it's not, then click on off, but if it's on, click on on. Now point the remote at the TV. So make sure that you are pointing this IR blaster exactly at your TV. Then click on volume plus. If the volume goes up actually, then you can click on yes. If it doesn't, click on no and try again. It may have different available configurations for different TVs, so try doing that. And when it actually goes up, click on yes. Now you can change the device name and you can also add a shortcut, then click on paired, and now here is your remote for your TV, and you can just turn it on, change the source, go to some menu, go back, check info, click on OK, up, down, left, right, change the channels, the volume. Also there are other buttons here available, or mute the TV, and this should all work. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.